Hi, if you're a beginner marketer and want to make money online, don't use Stan Store. I know this platform is very popular and many influencers use it, but they don't realize how much money they're missing out on. Research shows that the average attention span in 2024 is only 47 seconds. Some might think that's a lot, but 20 years ago, it was 150 seconds. This change is mostly because of too much social media and digital devices, which keep distracting us with notifications. People find it harder to focus on one thing, and when they have several options, they often end up doing nothing. Don't do this to yourself. To succeed in online business, you really only need one good offer to promote, one source of traffic, and one link or sales funnel. Make it easier for yourself by getting people to do one simple thing instead of promoting many different offers, which can confuse them and lead to no action. If you don't know what tools to use instead of Stan Store or how to start making money online, click the link in the video description to download my free ebook full of helpful information for beginners. Of course, this isn't for everyone. It's not for those looking for a magic button to make money or who hate learning. If you really want to succeed in online business, you need to be committed and consistent. Click the link in the video description and follow the simple steps. Show yourself and your family that you can focus on one thing that will lead to your success. Take action now.